right, let's talk all about this Festool Domino joiner of mine. I use this to make repeatable mortise cuts. It's one of many Festool tools I own, including the dust extraction system you can kind of see there. This is a very accurate tool, and as far as joiners go, this really portable, really easy to use joiner is very, very accurate. Let's see, so adjusting the mortise width is really, really easy. All you have to do is turn a knob and it goes from 0 to 90 degrees. It has stops at, I think, 22.5, 45, and 67.5. To use it, it's, again, very, very simple. You just plug it in, line it up, and then turn the tool on. And one of the most important things to keep in mind about this is that this is a good tool to use when you want to make several repeatable cuts in a row. And if you don't want to do these types of cuts the difficult way, then this is the type of tool that you want to have. I mentioned the dust extraction is really handy, so it doesn't get my shop super dirty. I showed you earlier that it comes in a really cool case with all of the different parts able to be broken down and stored. It's, as I mentioned, the best part about it, super accurate. So for your money, it's the most accurate I've found.